This is a story how I spent 7 days in a row learning 7 digital skills. The reason behind it that I hate the work that requires a lot of people interaction, communication and negotiation. If you also don't see yourself as a sales representative, consultant and so on, watch this video. So I was having a vacation and doing basically nothing. So why not to learn some skills? Okay, this is the first day and I will be using Adobe Photoshop. Let's go. I barely remember how to work in Adobe Photoshop. That is why I needed some instruction. I have watched some tutorials and I think I need to start working on it, and I don't know what kind of art should I do. So now I'm just searching for the landscapes. Maybe I will find something interesting. Despite the final result looks so cringe, what I can say that if you spend much time on it and learn, you can find a different job opportunities, you can work freelance, and I found it quite fun. You can express yourself, so I would definitely suggest you to try it. My second day I devoted to learn color grading. If you already shot your video with the good lightings, having proper composition and decent camera, it's quite enough. But with the color grading, that would look even more professional and cinematic. Well, I just installed DaVinci Resolve app and I see the interface looks quite familiar to Adobe Premiere Pro. Yeah, easy to navigate, but there is a column which is called color. I think here I will be working with the colors, logically, yeah. As you can see, the quality is good, but I don't like the colors. It's quite gray everywhere, and I want to work with it. This is what we had. And this is what we are having now after color grading. So now, as you can see the difference, the first one was pretty dark and gray, and after color grading I think it's a little bit purple. I mean too much purple in the highlights. Maybe I should decrease this a bit. Yeah, maybe like this. So yeah, here is the difference, pretty much good, but I think I can take another more complex video with the more colors to show you the difference. So this is the result. Third day was for video editing. So after watching some Tarantino tutorials, I thought, how can I show you the result? Wait, the result you're already watching now? Yeah, I mean the thing that I have learned, I have applied for this video that you're watching now. So yeah, you can rate the result by watching this video.
Sometimes my genius it's almost frightening.
Too much of video content. Maybe creating a website. Seriously, I saw many job vacancies requiring WordPress knowledge, even for junior positions. So because of this, I wanted to learn WordPress. At first, to make it easier, I want to start with the simple website with the pictures, maybe promoting the place or the country. We'll see. created the website. So basic, just like I've been working with the visuals, didn't put any plugins, analytical stuff here, just like the basic headlines, the link for my video, some pictures, and contacts. If you're working with the bigger audience, you need to track like with the Google Analytics, Yandex, and so on. But there are plenty of works to do. Believe me, it's kind of separate science to make the website kind of feel like that. The next day I found an interesting idea to ask my followers their email to learn email marketing. So now the question is what I'm going to write them. It should not be a spam, because I promised. It should be interesting for them as well, and it should be valuable for them, but for me as well. So I need to find the text, maybe with the pictures. I just finished my simple email writing here, as you can see. Thank you for sharing your email, but do you know why I've asked for it? Since the new video in progress, I mean this video, see the notification once it's done. So I will send another email on the day I will launch this video as a notification for them. And also special thanks for the people who write their emails. I've gathered around 29 emails. That's crazy, guys. Thank you very much, and you made it possible to upload. Good morning. So today is the day to work with probably one of the most important and useful tools out of all. This is for sure Microsoft Excel. Everything is absolutely clear. Excel equals multifunctional tool. Excel equals you must know it. And finally, this is the day of making some music. Alright, if you say, come on, you already know how to make music, let's play a fair game. I will create music using another platform, this time in Ableton. Believe me, I never tried there to make a music, not working with vocals. Listen to this guitar part that I just recorded. So I will be adding some drums here. To make it even easier, I chose C major scale. C major means all white notes. The reason I don't like using Ableton because it's not user friendly. If you're really new in the industry of music, you better start with FL Studio. And actually, even professional artists are using FL Studio, like Avicii used to, Martin Garrix, Zed. The actually platform, I think, created for the reason to simply record it, because recording is made simple here, while in FL Studio it's more like instrumental. It's my opinion. Final result.